AutoDS versus DSers, which dropshipping tool is better? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the dropshipping space or just starting out, you've probably come across two of the most talked about tools in the game, which is going to be AutoDS and DSers. Now, both platforms promise to automate your store, save time, and help you scale your dropshipping business. But which one is actually better for your dropshipping business? In this video, we're going to break down their features, pricing, pros and cons, and help you decide which tool makes the most sense for your business. So let's start with a quick overview of both platforms. And so before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Let's start with a quick intro to each platform. AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping automation platform. It connects to suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, Walmart, CJ Dropshipping, and more. You can automate everything from product importing, price monitoring, order fulfillment, even customer messaging. DSers, on the other hand, is the official AliExpress partner and was created as a replacement for Oberlo. It focuses on AliExpress to Shopify dropshipping and makes bulk ordering and product importing super fast and easy. So, what's the first big difference? AutoDS is a multi-supplier automation powerhouse, while DSer is specialized and streamlined for AliExpress to Shopify users. And so let's talk about the features for both platforms. Now, first things first, we have the product importing. Both tools let you import products using a Chrome extension. AutoDS gives you access to more suppliers, including US and EU warehouses, while DSers is fast and efficient, especially for bulk AliExpress imports. Now for order fulfillment. AutoDS can automate your entire order process, including syncing tracking numbers and even messaging customers. Basically, DSers handles AliExpress orders quickly and supports bulk ordering, but doesn't offer advanced automations like AutoDS. Now, for price and stock monitoring. Both platforms offer monitor stock and pricing in real time, but AutoDS takes it a step further by offering customizable pricing rules, dynamic updates, and supplier switching. Now, with the customer support automation, AutoDS includes automated messaging and tracking updates to your customers. It's perfect if you want to spend less time replying manually through your after sales. And lastly, with the integrations, AutoDS works with Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, eBay, and even Facebook Marketplace. DSers mainly support Shopify, WooCommerce, and a few others, but is primarily focused on AliExpress integration. From there, let's then go ahead and navigate through the pricing for both platforms. So, AutoDS starts with $9.90 a month with a dollar trial available for 14 days. But for full automation, you'll probably end up on a plan that's closer to $24 or more. DSers is much more budget friendly. There's a free plan, which is great for beginners, and paid plans starting around $19.90 a month, depending on how many products and features you need. If budget is tight and you just need testing through your waters, DSers has the edge here. But if you want full automation, AutoDS gives you more value for scaling. And so, which one should you go ahead and choose on the automation tool? So, let's make it simple. You want to choose AutoDS if you want to work with multiple suppliers, not just AliExpress. If you're looking for deep automation like product research, fulfillment, messaging, and analytics. If you sell across multiple platforms like eBay, Facebook, WooCommerce, etc. And lastly, if you want to scale and build a long-term system. You want to choose DSers if you're focused only on AliExpress. If you want something simple, fast, and budget friendly, if you're just starting with the Shopify dropshipping, and lastly, if you import large volumes of AliExpress product regularly. And so, think of DSers as the product or the perfect beginner tool, while AutoDS is like an advanced command center for serious dropshippers. And so, which wins this battle? It honestly depends on your business model. For AliExpress only, Shopify stores, and beginners, Deezers is hard to beat for simplicity and cost. But if you're planning to automate everything and scale with multiple suppliers, AutoDS is better for long-term investment. There's no one size fits all, but there is a best choice for your current stage. And so, to simply get started on AutoDS, you can just navigate through their official website. You can then click on the Get Started button. And from here, it will auto redirect you to the store integration page on which you can then go ahead and connect your store account. For example, once again, it supports Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, Wix, WooCommerce, Etsy, TikTok, etc. And if you sell on multiple sites, AutoDS is best for you. Right after that, you will also go ahead and have the option to navigate through multiple supported suppliers like Temu, AliExpress, eBay, Amazon, and many more supported suppliers out there. And meanwhile, for Deezers, it's mainly focused on AliExpress. So this is especially useful if you are just a beginner and if you want a simple platform and you are focused on AliExpress often. Alright, that's it for this comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Let me know in the comments which tool you're currently using or planning to try, AutoDS or Deezers. And if you want more tutorials on how to set up either platform, drop a comment and I'll make a guide just for that. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.